Role of semiconductive layer in XLPE cables. Welcome to this presentation on the role of the semiconductive layer in XLPE, or cross-linked polyethylene, cables. We will explore how this layer ensures a uniform electric field distribution and improves cable reliability. Introduction. In XLPE cables, the semiconductive layer plays a critical role. Its primary purpose is to maintain uniform electric field distribution and prevent voltage stress concentrations within the cable. By doing this, it minimizes the risk of insulation breakdown and enhances the overall performance and safety of the cable. Preventing stress concentrations. Without the semiconductive layer, electrical stress would concentrate at imperfections, such as sharp edges on the conductor or irregularities in the insulation. These stress points can cause partial discharges, tiny sparks within the insulation, which, over time, can lead to insulation failure. The semiconductive layer smooths out these imperfections, preventing dangerous stress concentrations. Uniform electric field distribution. The semiconductive layer acts like a shield around the conductor. It distributes the electric field evenly across the insulation instead of allowing it to cluster in one spot. This uniformity prevents high stress points, resulting in stable, reliable, and long-lasting cable performance. Facilitating termination and jointing. Another important role of the semiconductive layer is during termination and jointing of XLPE cables. It provides a smooth transition between the conductor and the insulation. This minimizes stress at the joints and connections, reducing the risk of faults during installation and maintenance. Materials and construction. These semiconductive layers are made of specialized compounds. Typically, carbon black is dispersed within a polymer matrix. The proper dispersion of carbon particles is crucial to achieve the right level of conductivity. This ensures that the electric field is controlled and distributed uniformly throughout the cable. Summary. To summarize, the semiconductive layer in XLPE cables prevents insulation breakdown by eliminating stress concentrations. It ensures the electric field is evenly distributed, aids in safe termination and jointing, and is constructed from carbon black polymer compounds to guarantee reliability. This layer is essential for the safe and efficient operation of modern power cables.